Found a nice EPL. 62 Astor Terrace. Oh my god, there's that motor. Good find. Okay, didn't skip it. I nearly skipped it. Actually, no, I think Dragonfire's filmed this. Oh, this is 62! Yeah, sorry, I didn't find this one. The Dragonfire did. Very nice. Indicator's dead. Two speed. Oh my god, everyone has a freaking front desk. Hello. Cab has flashlight on all these old lifts are very dark cabs. Turn it off for the section. Wait, there isn't that god. One winder on, one ground. EPL tracks. Must be a very early EPL because I didn't realise it was a modernised Earth Select Center shut down. Because that means it would only be modernised when it's 10 years old. How lovely. Oh yeah, it has 90s EPL inside. That's weird, but it has 80s inside, that's weird. There you go.